Hi friends, today we are back again with a very interesting DIY. This is called a ball shooter and this can be easily made in 5 minutes and keep your kids engaged for long hours. For this we need one disposable glass. I have taken a glass like this, a paper cutter or a paper knife, whatever is available, a scissors, two balls to make sure your toy is working well, a balloon, and some sellotape. So let's begin with what we have. This is the glass that we've taken. We will cut out the circle here, if you can see. We will cut this. So we've cut it like this. That's how it looks. Now we will take the balloon, tie it like this. This is how it will look, and then cut it. So this portion of the balloon needs to be cut. So here we go. And then with the help of a sellotape, we will attach it. Just to make sure this is strong enough and the balloon does not slide. It's as easy as that. So this is ready. And we just add balls here.
Let's start.